Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video, I wanna show you how you can play General Zero Hour online with your friend. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to play General Zero Hour like a LAN network with your friend in internet, simply follow my steps. Okay, as you can see here, we have let's say we have two devices, two PC. Okay, and we want to play General Zero Hour to these PCs. Okay, first one, you should to install General Zero Hour to these two devices. As you can see, this one, also this one. As you can see, this one, also we have this one. Okay guys, first of all, you should to install program named Hamachi. Okay, click download now. Okay, wait to download this file, this program, as you can see here on the button of screen. Okay, that's it. Now let's install this program. Open file, next. Okay, next. Create shortcut on the desktop, next. Okay, install. Yes. Okay, let's close this window. Okay, that's it. Starting this program, log me in Hamachi. Okay, first of all guys, you should to sign up to this program. Click here, power on. Okay, if we already have a login ID and password, we should to enter here. If we don't have, click yes here in the network too. Okay, to sign up, here guys, put your email address, here the password, new password, and retype the new password. That's it. So I'm already signed up and I have an email address, so I put here. Okay, log in. Okay, so here guys, in the first PC, someone should create a network and another one should join this network. So here I will create a new network ID a TechFix 221, password 1234 create. Okay, as you can see now we have a network a TechFix 221. So now go to the another PC or laptop and join this network. Let's see how. Okay, this another PC. Also you should to install this application. Okay, that's it. I already installed this application. Log me in Hamachi. Okay, starting, go online, connected, network. Okay, wait a moment. Now let's join another network. A TechFix 221, password 1234. Okay, as you can see here, now I'm in another network. As you see, we have 2 from 5 devices joined this network. So I'm here with this device in the same network. So it's a LAN network. So now we can play general together. Let's see how do that. Okay, open generals here and create a LAN, multiplayer LAN. Okay, multiplayer network. Okay, Alienware, create a LAN and wait another one to join this network, my friends. Okay, let's go to another PC now. Also open generals here. Wait a moment.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
A terrorist base destroyed.
Okay, multiplayer network. As you can see here, Alienware. We can now join the game. Okay, change your name here. Okay, join. That's it. As you can see, now we are in the same network, in LAN network, so we can play general together. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, accept, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.